Hello everybody, welcome to a new video in our channel Crypto Halloween, where we will talk about a project that we have already talked about it in a last video called MMOSH. And for this video we will talk about the official launch in the MEXC. But before that, don't forget to put like and also follow to our channel, and see you after this intro in the next part of this video. So welcome now to the second part of our video. So as we know, MMOSH is one of the biggest projects coming in 2024. And now it's launched in MEXC. As you see in Twitter, this is the official launch from the MEXC. This is the official launch from the MEXC. And as you see, this is the official page. And you can check also from this link, as you see here. This is the initial listing, MEXC. Quick starter, vote MMOSH, pitch protocol MMOSH to win free millions of MMOSH and 20,000 of USDC airdrops. So dear MXers, is trying to launch another season of Quick Start, a listening event initiated by project team before launch, where our users committed MX to support their favorite projects. This event is designed to identify high quality project and at the same time bring airdrops benefits to MX users. So this is about the project MMOSH here. A little description, the same thing that we have already talked about it in the previous video. The protocol combined best of social-fi, GameFi, DeFi, and also AI into a cohesive ecosystem that allows creators and builders to launch and scale mind-blinding and chain apps. So this is the total supply, as we have already talked about it. How to join the quick start from registration here. You can click here and you will see the registration, how to do it. And this is the whole steps. You can also vote from here, and as you see also here, the rewards, all things related to this project. So I will include this link in the description of this video. So my advice here is to buy and hold this tag, because within 1 month MMOSH will pump minimum x5 or x10 of the start value. And also don't forget to claim the airdrop for the 23 February of this month. And you can check also the owner of this project, the Twitter of this owner. So this is it, he's active, and you can check all the projects from here. And for the visitors that this is the first time that saw this video, MMOSH is backed by Solana. And you can check the other video, also the link will be included in the description, about all this project from A to Z. And finally, I believe that MMOSH will list in the top tier 6 like KuCoin, Bybit, ETN in this February. So don't lose this opportunity. And so MMOSH is a virtual world accessible through a variety of access devices and platforms, and it stands for massively multiplayer on-chain shared hallucinations. The Stoked Token will be launched on major exchanges in the 23 January 2023. And as you see here, the airdrop of lifetime is coming in the 11 and 12 January of this year. So don't miss it and claim your airdrop from now. So what is MMOSH? A creator ecosystem from social fee, game fee, DeFi, and also AI. So for the social fee, rewards creators who engage, edify, and entertain with compelling works and experiences. The game fee organize in-game and on-chain economy for earning, trading, and also stacking digital assets. For the DeFi, provided liquidity, price, discovery, and distribution for the digital assets that comprise an ecosystem. For the AI parts, it generates a living and organic world of various accesses, devices that adapt to your interests and desire. And the most important aspect of the protocol is cutting out the middleman. No more centralized social media platform extracting all the values. Everything goes directly from creators to enjoyers, while rewarding scouts for making introductions and sending small transaction fees to DIO. And this protocol is viral. This project gained over 250,000 in just the first 2 months. The initial implementation is in Telegram, that I will share with you in the comment section. With a Web3 foundation, MMOSH combines social fee, game fee, DeFi, and AI, as I said already. So this project is supported by grants from Solana Mobile and MonkeyDAO. We're building MMOSH apps for the Solana Saga and XNFT's backpack thanks to the generous grant support from Solana Foundation. So what is the real value of MMOSH? So the real value of MMOSH is bit protocol, token primitives, but nobody will enjoy them without killer apps. So thank you to Solana Mobile and the MonkeyDAO. They put in Solana's foundation grants to work developing amazing experience for the Saga phone and XNFT's backpack. And as you see here, this is the Solana Foundation grant of this project. We will share it with you in the description of this video. So let's go back. So MMOSH is decentralized, permissionless, and composable world available through many different access devices and platforms. Let's go now to here. The brands of the operational, Natch, and Motos. They're intensely creative with decades of experience in a wide range of disciplines, including graphic novels, video games, fashion, literature, music, films, and also tech startups. As seasoned creators and entrepreneurs, we refuse to compromise our artistic vision for commercial interests, and we're fully committed to technical excellence of our craft. We can't wait to see in MMOSH pitch on screen on chain. So you can meet the team by clicking here, and they bet also in the MMOSH pitch protocols, boot tools and apps, and also from 2D to AR and VR. You can check the nice papers from here, you can read it from here, and you can also check the collabs of this project by clicking to the blog. As you see here, this is the blog of this project, and they are so active, so you can check it by your own. Everybody eats. Welcome to the MMOSH DAO LLC. So we're organized as DAO LLC in the Republic of Marshall Islands. So no trusts, directors, officers, managers with extra liability or responsibility. All documents, ownership, and records can be kept on chain. All members with less than 25% of ownership can remain anonymous. Actions taken by on-chain voting through SPL allowed by law. So that's very good. And you can here check all the links from Telegram, Twitter, and all social medias. And also, let's go now to see the roadmap. So the roadmap is on details. You can just click here, and you will go to the phase or in the page of roadmap. And this is the roadmap page. There's a lot of phases, 6 phases. From the attract, we plan to build massive demand of our token with airdrops, giveaways, and different marketing networks. We are now in this phase, the Q1 of this year. After that, engage in the Q2 of this year. Engage will release apps that support creation of user-generated token. After that, the phase 3 will be for monetize. So with many different user-generated token in the ecosystem, all paired with MMOSH, we monetize this. After that, the phase of scale, diversity, and also the expand of this project in the Web3. Some are in trading pairs with MMOSH through liquidity pools, some through bonding curves. And as we said, MMOSH is in Solana network. The project is backed by 2 Solana Foundation grants, and you can check all this in the description section. So see you again in the next video, but don't forget to put like, follow, and your comment will be very helpful for us to see the feedbacks about this project from our community. And thank you very much. See you in the next video.